How to organize projects in Asana 2025. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about Asana and how you're going to be organizing projects for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your project section. You're going to click on plus and you're going to be going ahead and click on new project. Now we're going to go and start up a blank project for ourselves to organize things. I'm going to click on continue. And once we click on continue, I'm going to click on next. Now, once we're over here to start organizing things, first of all, you do need to make sure that you have a few sections for yourself. Okay. So I'm going to add 3 sections right here. And you can name them anything. Like I'm going to name them this design. I'm going to name this developing. And I'm going to name this, let's go with edit. Now, once you have done that, you can start adding tasks for yourself, like colors. Let's go here with the background. Let's go here with structure. Okay. So you can add things like this. Then we have developers. So you can, go ahead and develop the code. And we have backend and so on. And then finally, you can add the editorial things and so on. So just like this, you can go ahead and organize different things in different ways with different views as well. So if you want to go ahead and organize something in a different view, you can also choose the board view to organize things accordingly for yourself. And it's much easier in the board view as well. So basically, this is how you're going to be going ahead and organizing your tasks in Asana in the easiest way. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.